Remember the times, Snowstorm edition, from a Gen Xer's perspective. Number 1, remember being watched by the block where the neighbors minded your business? Yeah, I remember that. Remember when TV only had 13 channels and would go off at midnight? Yep, I remember that too. Remember your parents would call you from their room to pass them the remote? That was a little disrespectful, but I do remember that. Remember the plastic being on the furniture? Don't sit if you don't want to stick. I remember that. Remember being the Pink Panther from the calamine lotion because you contracted chickenpox? I remember that because other people had it, but I never had the chickenpox, but I do still remember it. Remember having to get your own switch to get a whooping? I think that was low-key disrespectful too, but I couldn't say anything unless I had to go get another switch. Remember borrowing sugar from the neighbor, but in our household, we couldn't borrow salt. Couldn't do it. I think that was some kind of taboo thing, but we couldn't borrow salt. But sugar was fair game. Definitely remember that. Do y'all remember putting aluminum foil on said TV antennas so we can get a clear picture? I remember that too. Remember riding in the third row seat of your parents' station wagon? Oh, y'all didn't do that? That was just me? Yup, without a seatbelt? How dangerous was that? But guess what? I still remember it. Now, since it's a snow day, what are some of the things you remember from the Gen X series? Post it in the comments.